1-888-wait-wait. That's 1-888-924-8924. Right on panel, some more questions for you from the week's news. Mo, forget about Macy's and Bed Bath & Beyond. Another company is now offering a wedding registry. Who is it?
Schlitz. I don't know. I'm trying to think of something like the opposite of like Bed Bath & Beyond.
You need to guess this in 30 minutes.
So it's, what kinds of things are they offering?
I don't think Mo has ever ordered anything from this company in his whole life. Am I right, guys?
On pizza?
Yes.
Look, so Domino's?
Yes, Domino's.
I eat pizza all the time.
You eat Domino's pizza?
Sure.
Really? Yeah. Prove it. When? What does it taste like?
In 1983.
Yes. It is Domino's Pizza, the Domino Pizza Wedding Registry. According to Domino's head of marketing, whose job we are doing for her right now, quote, it makes it easy for people to ask and receive something that they will really use. It's cute. What better way to practice for your inevitable divorce than a gift you can easily divide evenly between the two of you?
I was so fascinated by this that I went to the website to see if this is a real thing. And they have a whole menu of different gift cards. So one's like, you know, the proposal pizza, which...
How does it work?
Then there was the wedding night pizza.
What?
You would have sex after having a Domino's pizza.
But why would the pizza, like, you know, spice it up or spice it up?
So let me ask you a question. Do you often have cheese and then sex?
The cheese was the word that came out before. No, it's always in the opposite order. I don't know.
I would say it's eat, pray, love.
What's that?
But you know,
why do they have a proposal pizza? Why do they have a proposal pizza on a wedding registry? You're past the proposal point.
They just say that they say Domino's has been with you for very special moments in your life. So they want your money, that's why.
Yes, that's true. I was very high in college and ordered a Domino's pizza, and it was very special. I ate the whole thing by myself.
And you know, the brisk pizza comes with a slicer.
Peter, that's a point away from Mo. He's allowed to do it.
That's true. Peter, Apple is working on their new state-of-the-art multi-billion-dollar new headquarters building in California, and this week we learned that it is designed so that its engineers will not be distracted.
Good job, everybody. Good job. Proud of you. Proud of all of you. All of you. Take a few hours away from the news to enjoy your life. Good for you. Enough already. And who knew we were going to have to take on that part-time job? As if we didn't have enough to do. You guys, with your up and down temperatures, this is 46. What pants am I going to wear? Do I break out the crock pot or not? Oh, it's so hard being a person, isn't it? Isn't it hard? Did you know it was going to be this hard? It's hard every day. Just the physical maintenance of you. Just the brushing and cleaning and wiping, hopefully every day of you. It's like you're your own kid. Some people don't take care of their pets very well. You see it outside, their hair's all mangy, they look like they haven't been eating right. It's hard. Just to check out your stuff and have to get out of the No one's throwing it in here. Myself included. And yet, to look like this took some doing.